Google just unveiled the Pixel 10. And my friend, this is not just a smartphone, it's a mind-reading AI powerhouse. From cameras that coach you in real time to AI that translates calls in your voice, the Pixel 10 might just be the smartest phone ever built. Let's break down why everyone is talking about it, and why Apple should be worried. The Pixel 10 comes powered by Google's new Tensor G5 chip, built for AI. At the heart of it is Gemini AI, Google's most advanced system yet. Magic Q, an AI assistant that anticipates your next move across apps, calendar, and messages. Forget searching, this is your phone thinking ahead of you. Introducing Camera Coach, an AI that gives you real-time guidance on how to frame the perfect shot. No more awkward photos, this coach whispers photography tips as you click. And then there's Gemini Live. Point your phone at a scene, and Gemini highlights useful details instantly, translating menus, explaining landmarks. Voice, translate for calls. AI that translates languages instantly while keeping the tone and style of your voice. Imagine calling Japan, speaking English, and they hear flawless Japanese in your voice. Pixel 10 is your personal assistant, therapist, and creator all in one. It journals your day automatically, summarizes messages, generates music, and plans your schedule. Can Apple compete? For years, iPhones were the gold standard, but Google may have leapfrogged them. With Tensor G5 on-device AI, Pixel offers tools Apple hasn't even teased yet. So is the Pixel 10 truly the smartest phone ever made, or just another flashy upgrade? My friend, let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to GlobalBrief Plus for daily tech and breaking news. Stay ahead, stay informed.